Hello, Aquarius. Welcome to your August the 1st to August the 3rd reading. Ayan, ang bilis ng panahon. So, Aquarius, kung nagustuhan niyo po yung X-Files na readings, no? Kung meron kayong mga issues or gusto niyo mabalitaan itong inyong ex, no? Nandun po yan sa Facebook. Doon ko lang po ipinopost. So, Babaylan TV po sa Facebook, follow, and dun yung makikita yung readings. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Aquarius, simulan na natin. So Aquarius, ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang ang ganda ng simula ng inyong August, no? Kasi there may be separations, no? Probably the separation just happened yesterday, last week, last month, last year. It doesn't matter how long. Pero nandito yung pagsasaayos, no? Kumbaga, ang DPWH ay inaayos itong daan patungo sa iyo, no? Para smooth ang pagbabalik nitong taong ito. And what I am seeing in here is, um, well, inakala nating tapos na itong relationship na nagtapos. So parang naano tayo, we were a bit sad, lonely, depressed, disappointed because we had a lot of expectations or high expectations doon sa relationship, and it felt like, yeah, nasayang lang, and parang hindi mo na rin inisip or sinabi, kung kumbaga hindi ka na rin nag-expect na maayos pa uli, no? But then again, I think that either your person or the universe is telling you, wait, no? I think that you just assume or judged, quickly. Um, I want to prove you that you are wrong. So I feel like this person is returning with a lot of good news. And those good news are removal of toxicity. It could be the toxicity na sa sobrang manipulative nila. It could also be yung sobrang control. It could also be the vices, no? Literal, no? They're removing, kumbaga, nawala sila sa buhay mo. Think of it na nag-rehab sila, no? So pagbalik nila sa they're clean, no? Actually, they're doing it even without, no, rather, your consent, even without you asking for it, no? The Two of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Queen of Cups. So parang inisip mo dito, babalik pa ba siya? Ay naku, parang hindi na, with the Five of Wands, dami naming away na nagawa, no? Mayroon na rin ako mga nasabing masasakit na salita. So I feel like my person is not going to return to me, and I feel like they're not going to invest. But then again, both of you, I think that both of you is going to learn from each other na hindi ito yung hindi masaya ang buhay pag hindi ko kasama. Either siya, hindi ko kasama si Aquarius, or si Pisces, no, hindi ko pag I mean si Aquarius pag hindi ko kasama si person. No, nakakakita kasi ko ng Queen of Cups. So that's Pisces. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, no, with the Five of Wands, talagang nandun talaga yung expectations na hindi na malabo, no? Mukha lang siyang malabo, pero nakita ko eto na rin siya. With the Two of Swords, see, I saw a separation, and the Three of Wands. I think that both of you are just waiting for each other's go signal, no? Parang inaantay lang din ni person na sabihin mo sa kanya na, oh, okay, yung naka-green light na ako, pwede mo nang akong i-approach. Medyo malinaw sa akin lahat, no, with the Hermit card. Medyo mababa na rin ang heightened emotion ko, no, with the Queen of Cups in here. Parang also, namimiss ko rin naman, no, how you pour those emotions or love into my cup, or for a few numbers of you, baka nami-miss niyo rin talaga ang intimate moments ninyo with your person. We're not talking about just libog, ha? So, we're talking about here is the intimate moments of sharing those warmth. It kind of like a dance. So, it's actually making love than having sex, no? So, I think siguro na nami-miss niyo na rin yung itong mga yung dance na tinatawag natin, no? With the Four of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the World card. So, ang nakita ko kasi dito, may katigasan talaga ang ulo ni person. That's true. With the Emperor in here, egoistic. That's probably also one of the factor why there's actually a separation. Si person, bukod sa matigas ang ulo, hindi tumatanggap ng pagkakamali, hindi tumatanggap ng suggestions, no? Parang ikaw na ang pinanganak na tama, no? Ikaw na ang mabuti, ako ang masama, no? Ganyan. Was the Nine of Cups and the Lover. So, what I am seeing in here, I think that you also becomes a lesson to your person, not just them to you, but also you to them. Kasi parang pinaramdam mo rin sa kanila na life is not going to be the same way if you're not there but by their side, no? With the lovers, so I feel like dito na naramdaman talaga ni person, iba yung connection namin. So the enlightenment of your person seems like becomes a little more clear. Ah, parang dun niya naisip na nasa akin na pala yung hinahanap ko. Nasa harapan ko na pala yung hinahanap ko. Ako lang itong matigas ang ulo. Ako lang itong. So there's really a realization in here with the King of Wands and the Ten of Cups. So kung inaantay mo, sino ba sa amin, no? Kanina ka pa talak ng talak siya. So, sino sa amin ang unang mag-reach out? O di eto na yung sagot, hindi siya. No? Kasi nga, there's a lot of, sabihin natin ditong, kung meron bang nakaisip sa inyo, or kung sino man ang nawalan, no? Or malaking part ang nawala. So, parang kayong naggera, no? Tapos, nag-audit kayo, no? Magkano kaya yung pinsala, yung ganyan, no? Mas malaki yung pinsala nung sa kanya. Kaya sabi niya, no, mas malaki ang mawawala sa akin kapag nawala si Aquarius, no? With the World card, the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Wands. So the passion, and also I believe that these relationship is going to be love is sweeter, no, than the second time around. So, ano yun? Ang pangalawang, ang pangalawang chance or itong pagbabalikan na ito is going to be, it could be the last, it could be a promise, yung pagbabalikan ninyo is a promise that we're not going to be in separation again, no matter what challenges appears or crossed our paths. I feel like both of you are also going to walk hand in hand together, moving forward. So let's check here the emotion of your person. Now this could be their emotion or your emotion. I love you to the moon and back a million times, and our love is eternal. So, which means that there's really no ending in here. I think that we are very aligned because the card here is never ending story. Our love is eternal. So, it felt like it doesn't really end. I love you to the moon and back a million times. So I feel like the cleansing in here and also the between the worlds. So that's why there's coming back, no? From where we used to, from where our love used to be sweet. Ayan. So tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign, no, ni person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Scorpio. I am also seeing here Gemini Cancer, Aries, um, Taurus, no? Uh, Virgo, I'm seeing Capricorn, and did I just said Sagittarius? No, so yan. So Capricorn, I mean, Aquarius, this is your reading. Kanina pa ako nagkakamali, no? Kasi si Capricorn nandiyan eh. O, ayan. Tsaka si Pisces, si Nise. So, Aquarius, this is your reading. So, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung Babaylan TV live, no? And again, yung X-Files po na kung if you still care with your ex, no, yung reading po about exes, nandun po yan sa Facebook, which is Babaylan TV, no? So doon nyo lang po makikita, hindi ko po yan i-release dito sa YouTube. Ayan. So tuloy pa rin po ang ating manhunt, no? Nandun po yung mga sa description box ang mga fake accounts na pwede nyo i-report, screenshot, and send it to the email designated for you to win a private reading. Ayan. So, kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po there is a link. All you have to do is to click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Type in your question. Sa pinakababa po nandun po lahat ng information, how much per question, the mode of payment, the name, the number, no? And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So that's already a discounted price. Take advantage of it. And if you also want to book a personal reading or a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. So Aquarius, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.